How to delete Netflix search history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove your Netflix search history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you think that Netflix has been tracking your search history, so if I open the Netflix application here, and then if I just go ahead and log into any of my profiles over here as well, once I log into my profile, if I just tap the search option, which is the search icon that you can find from the top right, and then you might be wondering about this, but you have to understand one thing, and that is that this thing right over here is not actually our search history. That's right, these are only some of the top searches. Netflix doesn't keep a track of your search history. These are some of the top searches that people are searching around your region, and it's not searches made by you but by everybody. So think about how you have the trending section on YouTube that's trending only for that region, right? So that's a similar case with Netflix as well. It just means that many people are searching this, and there's no way of course that you can remove this unless Netflix wants us to. So hopefully you have to get used to it, but just keep in mind Netflix doesn't keep your search history. They only keep track of your watch history over here, as you'd be able to find it. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.